Yes, can you say the answers for your homeworks? Children, am I audible to you or not? Yes or no? Children, am I audible to you? Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. There is a lot of disturbance. I don't know where it happens. Okay, okay, right now. Yes, I'm sharing my screen right now. Are
And
you?
we can see your.
Yes, children.
And we can see your screen.
Yes. Yes. Are you able to see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which bit we stopped yesterday, and I gave 3 bits as your work. What are those bits? Yes, what are the bits I gave as a homework for you? Yes, I want answer from Sahasra. Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yesterday I gave a third, eighth bit as a homework for you. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. So, what is the result?
Ma'am, I had a doubt on this. I didn't do this.
Okay, and who completed this? Yes, no answer, no one.
Ma'am, may I tell how to solve it?
Pallav, Sahu, Siddharth.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Sahu, Sahu. Just there are three consecutive integers are consecutive means what
X,
is the children? Consecutive means
x minus 1, x and x plus 1. Consecutive means
yes,
which comes right after one another.
immediately next numbers. So if I'm taking as a first number x minus 1, the other number should be equal to x. What is the third number?
X,
X plus 1.
x plus 1.
Yes, very good. Yes, wait a minute, Sahu, I will help them because the students are having a little doubt in this concept. And what is the condition given here? What is the condition, Sahu?
Multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. So they add up to 74.
Yes, first number they are multiplying with 2. Second number they are
2x
multiplying
minus 2,
3.
3x and 4x plus 4.
Yes, they are multiplying with 4. Now these add up. If you add these numbers, what is the result they are telling? Result should be equal to
4.
result should be equal to how much?
4.
74. Can you solve this? Can you solve this, children?
Ma'am, 9x plus 2 is equals to
Yes,
74.
yes. Wait a minute, Sahul. Wait. Yes, very good. And who is there here? Jivitesh, are you there, Jivitesh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next step you're supposed to do here? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Children, don't worry if I'm taking x minus 1 for my simple calculation, but if you take x plus 1, x plus 2 also, the same answer you will get. Whatever the numbers, you continuation numbers you're supposed to take. If you take as the first number x, second number x plus 1, third number should be x plus 3. The result, whatever the conditions are given, first number should be multiplied with the 2, second number should be multiplied with the 3, third number should be multiplied with 4. After multiplying these, if you sum up, the result should be equal to 74. What is the second step? Yes. Here 2 multiplied with x minus 4, x minus 1, I think this is, sorry, I just wrote as a 3. This is x minus 1.
Ma'am, then x 2x
2x,
it will become, ma'am.
2x minus 2. Then,
2x minus
Plus
2 plus
3x
3x plus
yes,
4x plus 4.
plus 4x plus 4 equal to 74.
yes. Here, what are the variables? I want answers from Navya. Navya, are you there, Navya? Navya Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Navya Sri, yes. The variable part, can you add up and give the result? 2x plus 3x plus 4x.
2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 9x, ma'am.
Very good. What about the numbers, numerical part? Left side
Ma'am,
numerical
plus 2.
minus 2 plus 4. Together?
Plus 2,
Plus
ma'am.
2 it will
Plus
become
2.
Plus 2, which is equal to 74.
74.
Yes, that
9x equal to 74 minus 2.
very good. Then 9x is equal to?
X
It's
is
equal to
equals to
72.
72 upon 9, that is 8.
Yes,
X equal to 72 by 9 equal to 8.
9 ones are 9.
9 8s are.
So x is equal to 8. Yes, any doubt in this? Very simple one only. Only the thing you're supposed to understand the question thoroughly. I gave homework. Why you didn't complete? Because tomorrow you have, I think, so examination in this chapter, children. Algebraic linear equations with one variable.
Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes, Sunday, every Sunday we
Ma'am, so the three numbers are 7, 8, and 9.
Yes, ma'am. 7, 8, 9.
Yes, how many of you get 7, 8, 9 as answers?
Ma'am,
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 I got 8, ma'am.
I got 7, 8, and 9.
Very good. 7, 8, and 9 correct. And Srihita, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Okay, right. Ninth one. No need to do on the screen, right? Any doubt in ninth bit, children? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next one. What is the ninth one? The ages of Rahul and Haran in the ratios are given 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. Yes, someone is raising the hand. Who is this?
Ma'am, it's me, Shahu.
Sahu. Sahu. 4 years later, the sum of their ages. What is the 4 years after their ages?
X plus 4.
X plus 4, ma'am.
Yes,
Five.
ma'am. X plus 4.
No.
5x plus 4, 7x plus 4.
Very good. Who is this?
Ma'am, Pallav, ma'am.
Hey, we have to example.
Why 5x
Ma'am, that
plus 4, 7x plus, why 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 we supposed to do?
Ma'am, we don't know the ages of them, present
Ma'am, the
ages.
ratio is given 5 and is to 7, and we don't know the current age. We have to
Very
find out
good.
that. So we will
The
take 5x
ages
and
of
7x.
what is the conditions are given. First, you are supposed to learn the question thoroughly. Children, please read the question. Ages ratio is given as ratio. How much given, children?
5:7.
5:7.
So let present age of these two should be equal to present.
5x and 7x.
Yes, present
5x
age,
and 7x.
5x and 7x. Now after, what is the condition is given here?
4 years after,
4
their ages
years
will
later.
be 56.
Yes, 4 years
Total
later.
age.
That is 4 years. 4
Later.
years later.
Later.
Ages is equal to, one is 5x plus 4. Another one is 7x plus.
7x plus 4.
And what is the condition is given? After 4 years later, what is their sum of
56.
ages?
56.
Very good. The sum should be equal to 56. Therefore, 5x plus
5x
4
plus 4 plus 7x plus 4
is equal to,
is equal to 56.
good. Come on, children.
That is
Now,
equal to,
wait, ma, wait.
Ma'am, 12x is equals to
Wait,
56
ma'am, 12x
minus
plus
8.
8.
X is equal to 48, ma'am.
12x plus 8 is equal to 56. And 12x is
12x
equal
equal
to,
to
Is equal to 48.
12x equal to 48.
48
X equal to 4.
equal to
X is equals to 48 upon
4.
12, that is 4.
12,
4.
that is 4.
yes, x is equal to 4. Now, what you're supposed to find? You should find their ages, right?
5 into 4 and 7 into 4.
Yes.
5 fours are 20
You
and
have
7
to,
fours
the
are
ratios of
28.
we know that ratios 5 is to 4. That's why you're supposed to multiply 5 into 4 and 4 into 4. 5 into 4 is nothing but 5 fours are 20. 28.
20.
4 fours are 60.
Ma'am, actually it is 5:7.
Huh?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
5:7.
5 is
28,
oh,
20
sorry.
and 28.
Okay, okay.
5 to 7, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Are very 7 fours are 28. Good.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, if we add 20 and 28, it gives 48, na ma'am?
That is percentages. After 4 years, it is given, right? These are the
Yes,
percentages. Let me check that question also, whether what is the question is given. After 4 years, or their percentages they're asking. Let me check the question 1 minute, my dear. Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
According to the question, you're supposed to see what is given, conditions, what are
Ma'am, if they will ask the question as what is their ages after 4 years, we should add 8,
yes, you
ma'am.
should add up and give the result. That only you're supposed to. So, but here in the
Ma'am, but that is already given the ages after 4 years.
yeah, the sum should be is given. That's why 56.
Mummy,
Yes, please mute your mic, my dear.
John here.
Class is recording, please. What is their ages? What is their
Ma'am?
percentages means? What are the ages?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, means the age after
Ma'am,
4 years
indirect-
minus 4.
Yes.
Ma'am, they said that 4 years later their ages will be 58, 56, na ma'am. Can't we cancel directly minus 8?
Where, Pallav?
In the question, ma'am, not in the sum.
Okay.
They said 4 years later, na ma'am.
Yes.
In first members 4, in second members 4, can't we cancel like that? 48.
No. How you supposed to check whether you are doing correct or not? Now, what are the ages you are getting? 20 plus 4. 24 is the after 4 years. That first boy. Who is that boy? The boy Rahul. Rahul age is after 4 years. Present age, not only present. After present age is there not. After 4 years, if you want, means it is 20, 24. Coming to the other
Yes,
person,
ma'am.
Heron's age is after 4 years, it is already 28. 28 plus 4 is 36. If you sum up, you will get the result as 56. Please check it. Or else you can add
Okay, ma'am.
directly to that. What you said is 8. 48 plus 8 is 56. It is also true.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, Pallav? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Very good. Next, 10th question. Wait a minute, no? Just to see the participants who are there, what they're doing. Yes, be alert. I supposed to want to ask some questions. Jashmita, please respond, my dear. What are the 10th question? Please read. 10th one.
10th one, ma'am.
Yes, Jashmita.
The number of boys and girls in the class are in a ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength?
Yeah. The conditions are, what are the different conditions? Ratios of boys to girls is given. That is first
7:5.
7:5. And other thing, the number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. That means the difference between those two should be equal to, what is the difference between boys to girls?
8.
8.
8.
Very good. That means 2 shares. 7 minus 5 means 2 shares is equal to 8. What is the
Ma'am,
total?
2x equal to 8, x equal to 4, na ma'am.
ఎలా అయినా చేయొచ్చు నాన్న. Let me explain the part. Here the condition, wonderful. If you are getting this question for competitive examinations, how you are supposed to simply do that, and academic wise, how you are supposed to do this. Both ways I'm helping you. See children, when you are getting the competitive examinations, the first ratios are given 7:5. This is what are the boys to girls ratio is given, and number of boys 8 more than girls. That means here what is the difference between these two, 7 and 5?
8.
2.
8.
Difference between 7 and 5.
2.
2 shares is equal to 8. Yes or no? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
what is the total class strength means you're supposed to sum up these. You're supposed to sum up these. 7 plus 5 is?
Ma'am, 12.
7.
7
12.
plus 5 is equal to 12. Here 7
12.
minus 5 is equal to 2. So 12 shares you're supposed to find out. 12 shares is equal question mark.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, 12 into 8 divided by, you just do the cross
Ma'am,
multiplication.
48.
12 into
Ma'am,
8
48.
divided by 2. Yes, 2 ones are 2, 4s are 12, 4s are 48. Is the 48 is the total strength of the this is when you are getting your competitive examinations, use this method. It will take very less time to solve the sum. But before going to solve this, you're supposed to understand what is the given. Whatever the sums related to ratios and proportions you are getting, you can do this way. Boys to girls share is given 7:5. The condition is the number of boys 8 more than the number of girls. That means the difference between those two shares. 7 shares is 1, boys share is 7, girls is 5 shares. Difference between those two means 7 minus 5, it is 2 shares. 2 shares is nothing but 8 means total shares means 7 plus 5, it's nothing but 12 shares. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Yes, children, if you have any doubt, please raise your hand.
No, ma'am.
I will help you. Siddharth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose in your academic wise, if you are getting this question, you have to write a step by step. How you supposed to write? Ratio to the boys to girls is 7:5. And what is the condition given that you supposed to write, or else number of boys is equal to 7x, number of girls is equal to 5x. Difference between boys to girls means 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. So it's 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. Sorry, same. X is equal to 4, right? Sorry. 2x is equal to, where I did miss, yes. 2x is equal to 4. Sorry, 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. Then coming to the, you're supposed to find the total number of class strength. So 7x plus 5x is 12x. So 12x is equal to how much question mark? And then you can solve step by step. You know that 2 shares is equal to, 2 shares is equal to how much?
Ma'am, actually, I can
Ma'am,
see
8.
your screen is stuck, ma'am.
My screen or your screen, my dear?
Ma'am, you cannot see what you're writing. I can see only 8 question.
Oh, who is this?
Ma'am, me, ma'am. I'm Satvik.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
we can't
the
see.
your screen is stuck, ma'am.
My
One
screen.
note, I
Only
can't see
8
any
question.
cursor moving.
Yes, wait a minute. Shall I stop and I'll share once again?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I can see your cursor moving before.
Who is, yeah, few students there now. Now students.
Ma'am, before we could see, but now we cannot see, ma'am. It's an 8 question.
Okay, okay. So let me, some changes I supposed to do here.
You can see 8 answer only, ma'am.
8 answer you can view, and what about the remaining questions? Ninth part, ninth question.
Ma'am, 8th answer we can see and 9th half.
Okay, okay. Now ninth one is okay.
Yes, ma'am, now 9th is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Now see the 10th one. 10th one also completed. The down part is 10th one, right? Shall we go with the 11th bit, children? Any doubt in the 10th one?
Can you show 10th question?
10th question. Okay. See the 10th one. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than
Ma'am,
the
where did
number
you solve the 10th question?
of. Shall I do? Now you are able.
Ma'am, the solution.
Solution part you want? Okay. Only short method I did, children, but in examination, academic examinations, you write step by step. First part, what number of boys is equal
Okay,
to
ma'am.
7x, number of girls is equal to 5x. Shall I give like that? Complete part? No need.
No, ma'am, it's okay. We can write.
Because based on the competitive I gave, anyway, if you want like that also, you can write one or two questions I'll give. Yeah, number of boys is equal to 5x. Let number of boys is 5x. Number of girls is how many children? 7x. This is 7x. Sorry, this is 7x.
7x.
This is 5x.
5x, ma'am.
Yes. And
Ma'am,
yes.
are you talking about this Chanakya tutorial exams or this normal CBSE board exams, ma'am?
Both considerations I'm taking in your academic. Academic means ninth class.
Ma'am,
See,
tomorrow
children,
exam you will conduct, ma'am.
yeah, see, children, listen. In competitive examinations, when you are getting MCQ questions, means you are not going to show any your part, whatever the calculation part. Only your answer you are choosing, right? Whether it is A option correct, B option correct, C option correct, D option correct. That's all. But when you're writing your subjective, I think a subjective part, you have to write step by step. In that case, you have to use these statements. Let number of boys should be 7x, number of girls be 5x, and what is the other
Ma'am?
question? Yes.
Ma'am, every Sunday exam will be.
Every Sunday, senior classes we are conducting. No? Nowadays, we are trying to conduct for junior classes also.
Ma'am, tomorrow it will be exam.
We will give in the group message, children. Anyway, you thorough with your concept, right? Your
Okay,
linear
ma'am.
equations, how to solve your linear equations. Yes or no? You are ready with if I keep testing this
ma'am.
chapter, are you ready
Yes,
with it or
ma'am,
not?
ready.
Yes, you are ready.
Ready, ma'am. Actually, last time I don't know it was conducted or not on last Sunday, so I was asking.
No, Pallav, this time because last time math is not there, I think. Some other subject they are keeping. Maths we are not keeping it. Because one chapter is completed, it is right for to keep the test. Last week only we started, right? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next
So
one.
tomorrow it will be exam.
If it is there means topper application, and then time sir will keep the group message, children. You just please look at the group messages what are giving in your groups. Be
And ma'am, when we will start classes on that AirLearn?
maybe very soon, children, because all students they're supposed to need to add and some backup system should need to ready. Then we will probably start in that also. It is like
Okay,
user
ma'am.
friendly, right? We can. There are such a I saw some features are good, really good. We will always update children, not only stick with the Zoom and Google Meet. We can meet in some other way. Last year we are continuously meeting in Google, Zoom, everywhere, and this year we are going one more step further in that area. Now, please, children, what is the next step? Anyone, please? Come on. What is the next step?
Ma'am, where?
Let number of boys be 7x and girls be 5x. And the number of boys is 8 more than the number
7x
of girls. That
minus
means
5x is equals to 2x.
7x. The difference between these two girls to boys means 7x minus 5x is equal to 2x. Therefore, 2x is equal to how much given? 8 students.
8.
X is equal to 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours.
4.
Now you have to suppose to find the total strength. Total is equal to girls plus boys. Girls plus boys.
7x plus 5x is equals to 12x.
7x plus
Since
5x.
x is equals to 4,
Yes.
therefore 12x is equals to 48.
12 into 4, 12 fours are 48. Just 48 is the total strength of the class. In this way, you're supposed to write your subjective part. If objective part means just whatever the way you feel easy, a short method you use and write your test. And what is the other question? 11th bit. Children, if you feel a little faster means please respond and tell children. For few students, they can.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Srihita.
Ma'am, can we do like this also? Like boys is equal to girls plus 8. Like 7x is equal to 5x plus 8.
Yes, exactly. Why can't?
Ma'am, because I did in the method and I got the same answer as
Very
48.
good, very good, wonderful. You're supposed to think in different ways. Wonderful, really good, appreciable thing, children. Because the student is thinking in different ways means they're getting very simple ideas how to solve the question in simpler way. Also, they will get very good. Next one. Somewhere mouse is striking, children. I am unable to go back to my question. Where is my mouse pointer? Yes, please. Yes, I got. Yeah. Come to the 11th bit. Sri, yes. Sahasra, are you there? No? Sahasra.
Then do it.
Sahasra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sahasra, please read the 11th question, Sahasra.
Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all three is in 5 years, which is the age of what is the age of each one of them?
Yes. There are how many people are there?
Ma'am,
There
3
are three.
Baichung's father and
3.
grandfather.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
grandfather, father, grandson. What is
Father.
the relation between those three is given?
If we take
Their
Baichung as x,
ages
so
Yes.
father is equals to x plus 26 and grandfather
Father
is equals
equal
to
to y plus 29, ma'am.
No, don't take y because everything you have to take as a single variable.
one variable.
Yes, single variable you take. If you take another variable means it is difficult. We can use first initially you take the boy age is x ma. Then father is 26 years younger than the boy. Son, that means son. That means we can take as x plus 26 is father
Ma'am,
age. That
29.
means
Ma'am, 29, not 26.
what ma?
Ma'am, 29 years older than that boy, ma'am. Not 26, 29.
26. That is grandfather, Nana. There are three.
Ma'am, you said 26 years from the boy, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the Baichung's father is 26 years younger than the Baichung's grandfather, ma'am.
Grandfather.
Suppose there are three children. Grandchild is one fellow. He is whatever the name. And grandfather is there. Sorry, father is there and grandfather. These are the three fellows. The relation how we supposed to take means suppose this child age if you take as x means what is the father age in terms of child?
X plus 29.
Ma'am, x plus
X plus
29.
29.
X plus 29.
20.
No. Beijing's father is 26 years younger than Beijing's
Grandfather.
grandfather. Yes, ma.
29.
Baiching. Yes, x plus
29.
29. What is the age of grandfather in terms of father and in terms of father? Father age is x plus 29. What is grandfather age?
X plus 29 plus 26.
26.
Very good.
X plus 55.
29 plus 26. Yes, any doubt in this, ma? Any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, in grandfather's age, how it came as plus 26, ma'am?
You see that condition is given in the question. You just read the question, Palla. Once again, please read the question.
Baichung's father is 26.
Come on, read.
Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all three is 135. What is the age of each one of them?
Yes. First condition, father and grandfather relation is given. Father is 26 years younger than grandfather, and 29 and what is other the other thing is given, 29 years older than Baiching. There are father and son age relation is given. One fellow is if the son age is x means father age is x plus 29, and one more condition is according to that condition father plus 26 is grandfather's age. That is only we supposed to add for 26. Hope it is clear, Pallav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Now the sum of these all three ages is nothing but how much is given?
135.
135.
Come on. Start working on that. Please give. Who will give first answer? Quick.
Ma'am, 3x plus 58
Yes. Do in
plus
your book.
26.
Do in your book and
Ma'am, can
private
you
chart. I
show
want
the,
private chart. Who will keep order wise? I will check now.
ma'am, can you show the question, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Sure. Okay.
Ma'am, we can't see the question.
1 minute. 1 minute. Now you check, huh? Yes, come on, please. Are you able to see the question part? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Come on. Yes, I want to see the messages. No one is not keeping it. Yes, you are taking longer time.
Ma'am, 3x is equals to 51, so x will
Ma'am,
be
x equal to 17, ma'am.
51.3.
Yes, 3x plus
3x is equals to
X plus 84
51.
equal
X
to
is equals
135.
to 51 upon 3, that is 17.
Yes. Jitvesh, 3x is equal to how much, Jitvesh?
135 minus
84.
equal to
Yes. Siddharth.
51.
Siddharth, what is the value of 3x? Siddharth.
51.
Ma'am, 51.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very good, Jasmita. Yes, x is equal
Ma'am, x is equal to 51 divided by 3, which is 17.
5 ones are 5 sevens are 17. Now what you supposed to find out? You supposed to find out all their ages. The grandchild age is 17. Father
Ma'am, Baichung's age is 17 years.
and
Father's age is
Father's
46
age is
years.
56.
grandfather
56. Grandfather 82.
82 years old. No, I think.
Ma'am, father is 46 years old.
46 plus 29 is how much? 26 is how much?
I'm 82, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 40.
Oh, ma'am, 72.
Wait, who is giving 82? 90?
Yes, ma'am, 72 it is.
Yes, please substitute. X plus 29 means 29 plus 17. 39, 39.
Ma'am, 6 plus 6 will be 12 and 4 plus 1 will be 5. So
Yes,
it is
72.
72.
72.
Yes. Write down, children. Therefore, grandfather age is 72 and the grandchild age is 17. Father age is
46.
46.
46.
Yes, I didn't write. Please complete that part one. Just substitute. Grandchild is x. X is equal to 17. We got
Ma'am,
direct.
we will do all 16 sums.
Father is equal to 17 plus. Yes, no, Sahu. Sahu, what? Sahu?
Ma'am, we will do all 16 sums of
Yes,
this
please come on.
exercise.
Who will give? Who are thorough with the concept? Please come on. Come on, give private answers. Don't shout. Just private
Ma'am,
answers.
shall we do ourselves for
Yes, you try to do and put a personal chart for me. I will see how many of you that much fast and doing a very correct.
Ma'am, can you show from first from all the questions, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I will show. Yes, I want any girls. Please read the question. Next question. Next.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, girls.
Hello,
I
ma'am.
want
Can
answer
you
from girls.
hear me?
Ahna, are you there, ma? Ahna. Yes. Satvik, are you there? Satvik.
Yes, ma'am. There. Yes, ma'am. There.
Yeah, please read the next one.
15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age?
Yes.
5.
What you should do?
ma'am,
Ma'am?
x plus
Ma'am.
15 is
X
equals to
plus
4x.
15
Ma'am,
equals
can
to
I?
4x.
Wait.
5, ma'am.
15
5.
years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times of present age. Very good. Well, come on, children, please solve by your own. Give the
Ma'am,
answer.
15.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
X
can
plus
I?
15 is equals to 4x.
Yes, Srihita, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I got it as 5.
Saho?
Yes, ma'am. I also 5. Ma'am, 5
Yes,
only.
ma'am, 5.
Satvik?
Ma'am, 5 only, ma'am. I said
Jashmita?
starting.
Jashmita?
Ma'am, even I got 5.
Yes.